So to continue the quality complaint video part 2, we are going to see how the actual calculation is made, how much amount is claimed for the concerned region, that we are going to see. On the part of quality complaint, which the consignee has lodged complaint as the stocks are exceeding the prescribed limit of uniform specification, and for which the consigner is to be compensated, or consigner, we have to inform the consigner the loss assessment statement indicating the amount. So for that, what you have to do, what are the refraction exceeding that we have identified on analysis and arrived during joint inspection, if at all, if they have come. If they didn't come, actually the consigner decision is final. The consigner manager QC has sent the report, that is final. Basing on that, the amount is claimed. For foreign matter, suppose if the consignee analysis indicates 1.5, the maximum permissible limit is 0.5. Then exceeding limit is 1. Then quality ticket is the double the quality ticket. So for the 2% is double quality ticket. Like that, damage, slightly damage, 4% analysis, and permissible limit 2, exceeding the limit 2, and quality the cut is imposed is 2 into 1, that is 1 value cut, that is 2. Like that, broken 23% arrived and 22 allowed, exceeding limit 1. For each exceeding, we are claiming half the percentage. So 1 into 0.5, 0.5. Then de-asked. Actually, analysis it is found 14, allowed is 12, exceeding 2. So 2 into 0.25, only 1/4 of value cut, or 0.25% is claimed. So 0.5. So put together all the refractions put together, so it is exceeding 6%. So what you have to do, the 6% cost to be claimed with the consigner region, that is consignee district, and that is the meaning of that. That is what are the exceeding, for that we are imposing quality cut. But how to calculate that, we are going to see. Actually, in the case of rice, it is based on the maximum support price of paddy divided by 0.67, that is derived MSP. That means the out end, basing on the out end, the cost of rice is fixed. So the cost of rice is fixed on the out end. So for that, the current MSP of the paddy is 1868, that is divided by 0.67. So the quintal cost is 2788.05, that is the MSP of rice. Then out of that, what you have to do here is 130% of MSP. Previously it was 150% of issue price, now central issue price, now it is 130% of MSP. For that, what you have to do, the derived MSP into 130% divided by 100, that comes to 3642.45. So if it is rounded up to 3642 rupees. So in that, what we have to do in this, suppose if the for 1% of MSP you have to find out. Why 1%, 2% like that? The for some, say for example, in a quintal 100 kg bag is there. If there is no refraction limit is exceeding, we need not lodge quality complaint. Suppose damage is exceeding, or damage is exceeding, 2% is exceeding. That means actually allowed is 2, more than that 2 kg of damage is there. That means it is, the value is not there. So for that 2 kg we are claiming the cost. For 1 kg how much it is coming to that is 36 rupees. For 1 kg it is coming to 36 rupees at the rate of 130 MSP. So at some 2 kg means it will be 72 some 84 paise. So that is the meaning. So one value or 1 percentage means 1 kg of cost of rice is recovered. That is the meaning of that. That is 1% of MSP we have to see. For that 36.42 by 100 is equal to per kg or 1 kilo cost or 1% cost or 1 value cost is 36.40 rupees. So this is the basic thing behind claiming anything. 1 value means 1 kg cost of the rice or 1% of the cost of the rice. That is the total cost of the 1 quintal cost. That is say 36.42 we have calculated. That is divided by 100. So per kg cost is 36.42. That is the thing behind it. So 6% is exceeding. So 6 kg cost we are claiming. 6 into 36.42 totally it is coming to 270.44 rupees. So how much quantity we have out of so many quintals we have received? We are lodging, for example, we have taken only we are lodging 1000 quintals means 1000 quintals into 217 which is coming to 2,77,440 rupees. So it may vary. For example, we have taken as 1000 quintals and the value exceeding is to 6%. It may be 7%, it may be 5%. That is according to the analysis which we are doing during joint analysis or by the manager QC, that is consignee while lodging complaint. This is the calculation. So to recapitulate 1 quintal cost of paddy we are taking, that is the recent price is MSP is 1868 and derived MSP means that should be divided by 67 because only we are on the base of 67 kg of rice we are taking from 100 kg of paddy. So that comes to 2788.05. So 130% of maximum support price comes to what the quality complaints circular says, we have to claim more than the MSP, that is 130%. Previously it was 150% of issue price. Now it has been calculated as 130% of maximum support price. So per quintal cost is 3642, 3642, and 1 kg of cost is or 1% or 1 value cost is 3642 divided by 100, 3642 rupees. So 6% of derived MSP is 217.44. The quantity involved under quality complaint is 1000 quintals. So 1000 into 217.44 is equal to 2,17,440. Similarly, like that we have to calculate, and this has to be calculated along with all particulars of wagon wise identity, joint inspection and PCC. Everything should be supported, and this has to be sent to the consigner, area manager, regional manager, zonal manager, and also to the headquarters. Similarly, the consignee, regional manager, zonal manager, executive director should also be sent. This is the procedure for lodging quality complaint and claiming the loss assessment statement. Once this is finalized and that is the final thing, then the consignee end may go for disposal of the stocks. There ends the matter. Similarly, in case of wheat, the same analogy should be adopted. The same quality cut should be adopted. There also foreign matter slightly different. The limit is given in the that is uniform specification. Say for example, wheat means slightly damage, and then foreign the other food grains like that it will come. So for wheat also the same analogy should be adopted. For the damage the same thing. Foreign matter also should be same thing. broken, they all are same thing. The quality count is the same thing. There also 130% of MSP we have to calculate. The wheat MSP is wheat MSP 1925. Now the wheat maximum support price is 1925. This we have to take. From that we have to calculate 130% into 130 divided by 100. It is the actual amount fixed for claiming. Then from that we have to calculate 1% how much, 2% like that, and how much percentage per quintal is claimed. That also we have to see. Similarly, the same calculation for wheat also. In case of paddy, suppose if it is the same analogy applies. That is, they derived how much on par with how much rice will come from that. That has to be taken up, and the same analogy should be adopted for paddy also. But in case of lower category and other thing, suppose if the paddy or wheat and the lower category, how much the formula value, suppose if it is disposed as damage, what is the formula value for the damage grain, that has to be deducted from the total cost of the wheat, MSP of the wheat. That has to be claimed in case of wheat if it is involved under quality complaint. But the other things are same. This is with regard to the finalization of quality complaint. And while the important aspect in this, the time limit is the very important aspect. One is within 3 days we have to lodge the quality complaint, and within 5 days from the lodging of quality complaint, the AMQC has to send the inspection report, and within 25 days the joint analysis should be completed, and within 30 days the final LS should be sent to the consigner. These time limit should be maintained, and intimation also should be proper with reference to time limit. So these are all the things which is covered under quality complaint, and we should be very careful in while lodging complaint and analysis, and also time limit. These are all the very important factors for otherwise it will be untenable. It will not stand for quality complaint. It will be untenable. So these things are to be taken into consideration while lodging the quality complaint and claiming LAS. With this we conclude this video.